Hello parents and students. This is a tutorial on how to vote on everykidvotes.org. First, click on the link and go to the website. It should come up like this. Then click on the green button that says Voting Booth. It's going to ask you if you are a teacher or a student. I'm going to press Student. It's going to ask you to select your school state. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to find Georgia. It's going to ask to select your district, and we are Atlanta Public Schools North. Right here, Atlanta Public Schools North region. And then it's going to ask me to choose my school. I'm going to click here and I'm going to scroll all the way down almost to the bottom, and I'm going to click where it says Usher-Collier. And then I'm going to click Begin Voting. And when you click Begin Voting, all of your candidates should show up here. So you're going to choose your candidate, the one that you want to vote for president. And you know your choices are private. Then when you're done, you're going to get a message that says, thanks for voting. And then if you want to see the live results, how your vote stacks up with other students, you can click Live Results. This map will come up. You can scroll down to the bottom and it will have your school, how many people voted Republican, how many people voted Democrat, how many people voted Libertarian, how many people voted Green, how many total people voted, and who is the current leader in your school. Scroll down a little further. This is our district, Atlanta Public Schools North region. Again, almost the exact same numbers because that's all that has submitted votes. Then you can go down here, and this is categorized by the states, and you can see how other students across the United States are voting and how their votes stack up. Remember, every vote